1, 2 sheds, 3 sheds, although we won't hit that one. 4 sheds, 5 sheds. I always find the best place to put a shed is right underneath a tree. So this is one of those jobs where it's not particularly big, but no drop zone. I'll show you in a second. Okay, so this sycamore's coming down. That's one garden, that's another garden. They've got a shed underneath it. They've got an immaculate lawn, but there's no access. They've got lots of trinkets and delicate things by the house, so we can't go out that way. They've got an extension, so we've got to go over the roof there, and this neighbour doesn't want the mess apparently, so we can't use theirs. So we've got to go over that roof. Me and Daryl there, we're going to cut down and stack it in small bits in the garden, throw it down into neater piles. Got 2 guys on the ground who are going to do their best to keep up, and then we're going to jump down and help them throw it over the roof. Not a massive tree, it's just a bit fiddly. Wibbly wobbly. Oh, not that branch. I can't cut that branch. I've got to remember not to cut that one. Oh, head! Dad, I fell. Hey! Didn't lose a branch though. This throw's getting a bit tricky now. I'm not talking to you. It's a bit further to throw it and the wind's blowing that way. So I'm trying to throw it so they land that way with the butt pointing that way, but the wind's catching it and bringing it around. I'm trying to get them to land flat as well, but doesn't always work. Whee! Lawsuits. Boom shakalaka. Oh, chandelier. Oh yeah. I watched a documentary the other day about, it was called The Hidden Life of Trees. And it's all about like how trees communicate, yeah. The Wood Wide Web. Yeah, that's what they're calling it. Yeah, well, he was saying that like when a caterpillar bites the leaf, it changes the leaf chemistry. I mean, it takes an hour or so, but it changes the leaf chemistry so it's more bitter and puts off the caterpillar. And the same with like acacias in Africa. When they're being grazed by a giraffe, it'll let off a scent. Yeah, so that it lets the other trees in the area know that they're being grazed upon, so they change their leaf chemistry. But he also said they can detect what's eating them, so they can taste the saliva, sense the saliva of like certain caterpillars, and change the leaf chemistry, or release scents that attracts the predator of whatever's eating them. Hallelujah. Oh God, rope on rope, Richard. Don't melt my rope. I always find the best place to put a shed is right underneath a tree. Oh God. So what can I say interesting about this job? What can I say interesting about this job on my video? So the most interesting thing is I'm working with you. So the most interesting thing about this job is the fact I get to work with the dream team that is Daryl and Kieran. So the second most interesting thing about this job is I ain't saying that. Kieran's being rude. This is just tedious. It's just tedious. It's quite windy up here. You can see my toupee blowing around. There's always hair jokes with these two. 1, 2 sheds, 3 sheds, although we won't hit that one. 4 sheds, 5 sheds, birdhouse, table, washing line. Kieran, hard at work. Just do some quotes, yeah? Got ya. So, 'cause I'm going to Oh, you got to do some important blowing. Blow the brush, blow over the roof. So we spent a bit of time trying to figure out this morning the best way of doing this. So we did look at going through there, but they've got quite a lot going on with all the ornaments and stuff. That'll take ages to move. They were meant to move them, but they didn't. We were going to go through there, the next door neighbour, but they didn't want the mess. So the only other option was to go through here, but obviously they haven't got access, so we had to go over the roof. I suppose if it was easy, I wouldn't be here. Flick it over these pegs. Flick it off the peg. Whee up the stem. Oh, he's got it in his own back now. Hey! So these guys have just got the blower and I am pretty impressed with it. Let me show you why. Electric start, yeah! You know these guys are the real deal when they've got electric start stuff, yes! Karen, I'm going to interview you.
Huh?
I'm going to interview you. Interview?
You can't interview me.
Why not? You're the top man.
Top man.
Top man, Kieran. Gone alright today, haven't you?
Yeah, really well.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's always fun to have big rich, big rich. So, no, it's always good fun.
It's gone smooth, hasn't it?
So, bit interesting at the start, obviously, with changing the plan of not using next door's drive, but it's gone nice. We got the man on it, so it's all about adjusting. Got the man, Justin. Big man, Justin Bieber, Justin Belieber. So yeah, make sure you guys hit the like button right now. Give this guy a like button. He puts a lot of time and effort, especially when he's in the tree. Like, you'd have had that tree done by lunchtime if you weren't making this video for you. So give it a big like and a subscribe.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
So what's next? Tidy up, get out of here.
Yeah, tidy up, get out of there.
Go on, let's get out of here.
Oh, okay. Bye.